In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enter in the Luminous Cavern here in Fisch in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to make your way over to the Desolate Deep. And of course, once you're in the Desolate Deep, you're going to have to get yourself some advanced diving gear or a diving bubble since it is extremely deep. If you start from Sunstone Island over here, you can dive down. You'll reach the area called the Mysterious Crack. Open it up, you need 3 keystones, and there's going to be multiple keystones around the map, but the pedestals will only require 3 specific ones. Just go to the crack, interact with it to see which keystones you need, collect those ones, place them, and once they're all placed, the crack will open. Go inside, find the river area, and look for a small boat or platform. Get on it, and it's going to carry you through the tunnel, and that is it. At the end, you'll be at the Luminous Cavern. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.